Do you ever wonder if there is any benefit at all to wearing crystals or spiritual jewelry or carrying talismans? Let's talk about that. Hello, hello, hello. I am Reverend Sharon Renae, and welcome to this week's Sunday Inspiration presented by Spiritually Centered. And today I want to talk about, I'm trying to find the right words, but talismans or icons or crystals, the things that we carry with us to kind of help us along. And what I want to say is that those things on their own have no miraculous benefit. Okay, so they're not miracle workers. And so when you think of something like mala beads or what they call prayer beads, it's again where there's a mantra that's being said or a certain prayer. And that's no different from the rosary, with the rosary of saying the Hail Marys and moving those forward. But what they're doing is they're trying to bring you back to balance. So like I've got on my chakra bracelet today. I wear it all the time. Does my chakra bracelet balance my chakras? Absolutely not. What my chakra bracelet does is it reminds me, am I in balance? Am I centered? So when I look at it, I go, so it serves that reminder process. Now, a lot of stones and stuff, again, they have these benefits because it's the vibration that they're at. And so if I feel that I need extra love and encouragement today, I might wear my rose quartz because, again, rose quartz symbolizes love. So I might wear it, but it's, again, not that it's attracting love. It's reminding me to be love, right? And so and a different example might be that you have a lucky rabbit's foot. That lucky rabbit's foot is not changing your life. You're using that as more of an intention, but we don't want to give power to that because our power comes from source. It comes from the divine source. It comes from that wonderful energy of the universe. That's where our power comes from. But all of these things, so crystals, they're all beneficial, but it's not, sorry for all the noise, putting that down. They are all beneficial if we understand that it's the intention. Just like if we have a singing bowl and we ring that singing bowl, that wonderful sound can put you at peace and put you at like this calming breath, right? And it's not that that singing bowl and hitting it or playing it is going to change you for the day. That didn't create the power. It was the intention of you settling in to absorb the peace of that energy. So all of our spiritual tools can play a benefit. And again, to me, mala beads are not really a big difference from a rosary, except for the religious intent behind it. But both are bringing us back to center. Both are reminding us about forgiveness or for letting go or for being calm and to getting ourselves in a restorative place, right? But they are not, I want to make this clear. So crystals, wearing crystals, carrying crystals, having chakra beads, none of those things are evil. None of those things are taking away from the divine. But what we have to remember is that it's the intention. They are not the power behind what we are creating. They can serve as reminders, as a touchstone to like, okay, take a moment, take a breath, behave, send love. What do you need to do? So it's that reminder, right? And it's like when we have something that was our mother's or a family relatives and we wear it, it's that touchstone. So whenever we touch it, we feel that reminder of that connection with that person. This is what gemstone jewelry, religious jewelry, spiritual jewelry, talismans can do, is it can remind us to go back in and align to our divinity and to also give the power over to source, to allow source to lead. Like, it can be that you can have something in particular and say, when I have this on, this is my reminder to let go and let God, right? So it's letting that energy help us flow through the day. So be happy in your jewelry. Know that it's not going to change your life, but it can be a symbol that helps you change habits that start to change your life. And so until next time, have a wonderful day and namaste.